Today is Sunday, September 27th. We're out.
You might have to talk loud just in case.
We're out breaking in the new Hangkai 18 horsepower engine on the new Bris 10.8 meter rib inflatable boat. So come aboard. Here we go.
It takes some time, even though it's just a smile. But I hate it when I'm faking with you all night in a body that ain't mine, thinking I am gonna burst. You and I are falling behind, and I'm ready to go get out while we're whole. Now take my advice, take my advice. Let go, I wanted you. I know, you feel it too. Cut loose, before we sink. We sink into the ocean's blue, the ocean, the ocean, the ocean. I hear we sink into the ocean, the ocean blue, the ocean. I wanna leave and finally be free, free of all our expectations. No more couple invitations. I wanna let go. I wanted you. I know, you feel it too. Cut loose, before we sink into the ocean's blue, the ocean, the ocean, the ocean. I hear we sink into the ocean blue, the ocean.
Oh.